Is your Apple Watch getting slow and starting to lag? If yes, then here's how to make it faster in under 2 minutes. First up, the basic stuff. If you have any unwanted apps open in the background, then close them. This frees up RAM space. Try restarting your Apple Watch. If there's any software glitch that's making your watch slower, then restarting the watch could fix it. Also, if you have any unnecessary apps installed on your watch, then delete them to free up some more space. Check if there's any software update available for your watch. Updates can fix software bugs, improve your device's performance, and optimize your Apple Watch so that it can function seamlessly with the latest versions of services and apps you use on it. However, make sure to turn off the automatic update toggle button. Now, let's move on to the less known stuff. Turn off background app refresh for general settings. Doing so will reduce battery consumptions and software load, which can make the watch faster. If you have been opening website links from your messages on your Apple Watch, then it may have cache files and cookies stored on it. You can clear them by going to website data from Journal settings. Your Apple Watch automatically syncs featured photos and music from your iPhone that can fill up storage. To turn it off, open the Watch app, go to My Watch, tap on Photos, and turn off Photo Syncing toggle. Do the same for music. You can also turn off features like hand washing timer and workout reminder, as they keep the inbuilt microphone and sensors active in the background. Apple Watches are fast and smooth to operate, but sometimes old Apple Watches can have a hard time keeping up with these fluid animations. To remedy that, go to Watch settings, tap on accessibility, select reduce motion, and turn off the toggle button. If you have set a watch face with multiple complications, then you can try switching to a simpler watch face without any complications. This will further prevent any background functions, ultimately reducing the system load. But if even after trying out all these things your Apple Watch still feels slow, then there's only one thing left to do. Restart your Apple Watch and pair it again. And that's about everything that you can do to get a faster Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wearholic to get more useful content like this. Thanks for watching.